Mr. Wale Adetifa.
Hello, thanks so much for coming, and I hope you are enjoying yourselves. I'm going to be talking about a project that this executive are so passionate about. We are trying to bring a good thing into the association so that we can enjoy the benefit together. Nítorí pé Yorùbá sọ pé ẹnikẹ́ni tí wọ́n bá nípa láti ṣèrànlọ́wọ́ fún òun náà lẹ́nu kejì rẹ̀. So tá a bá ń parapọ̀ bá ní gbogbo ó jẹ́ ká lè ní ọ̀nà kan tá a fi lè ran ara wa lọ́wọ́ tó jẹ́ pé ẹnìkan bá ṣe nǹkan kan ẹnì kejì ò ní tó ṣe àṣìṣe yẹn mọ́. So this evening, one of the objectives of Yoruba Heritage and Cultural Association, according to our constitution, is the promotion of culture, cultural, social, economic, and the welfare of the Yoruba people living in Victoria in a manner that is honorable and dignifying. And to achieve this cardinal objective of welfare services to our people, the executive committee have decided to launch a welfare program. The welfare program is not going to be replacing a bank. We're not a cooperative society. It's just that we're going to be having a committee of 4 people within our association that will be representing us in achieving these goals, to provide support and instill hope in members in difficult situations, those who may be hurting, lonely, bereaved, and that are newly arrived to our midst. We will provide support and education for members who are studying and then seeking to join the workforce. People that are underemployed because they've not been able to do what others are able to do, or they don't know what to do. To also provide family welfare committee, and to provide family welfare assistance to people that have just arrived. Then one other important point there will be to provide financial assistance not greater than $500 per year to eligible members through a guarantor. That I've said it before that we are not trying to replace a bank. A lot of people have raised the possible problem that may arise from this, whereby people would get $500 and will refuse to pay it back, and then eventually the whatever we're able to raise will disappear. So what we are trying to do is to make sure that the committee that we're going to set up goes around the terms of the conditions that we're going to set it off with, which is the fact that you need to have a guarantor before you can access the money. So in essence, the guarantor is the one that will be giving you the $500 per year, because the guarantor is going to be the one that will start paying it back to the association with a little bit of interest. So it's not that we are replacing the bank, and we're not looking at giving somebody $500,000 to buy a house or anything, just for people that are in their need of support. So in this committee, we have 4 members. The 4 members are Mr. Alfred Afis Akama, Mr. Adeolu Abioye, Mrs. Temi Ajay, and Mr. Dapo Odubote. Mrs. Temi Ajay is the only female there, and she is the chair of this committee. And then we have Mr. Abiyoye as the secretary, and then I think Mr. Akamo as the treasurer. So we're hoping to start to launch it today, and we are very, very happy because we've got 3 important members of our community, of our association, who are happy to start it today, to launch it, to commit to it before we all dish our, put our hand into our pocket and add to it. We have here that will be launching it, Mr. Bumi Ajay, Mr. Bola Ogushola, and lawyer Wale Oladejo. I'm going to be calling on them one after the other to come up and talk to us briefly and tell us how much they're going to launch this committee with. Thank you.